Hi guys, so I'm currently editing the video that you are about to watch right now, and before I got into anything, I just wanted to say thank you so much for all of the positive feedback on my last video, which was like my chit chat, get ready with me, seeing all of the nice comments, and like I even got texts from people saying that they could tell that I was like really happy filming. And yeah, I told myself I wasn't gonna upload anything that I'm not super proud of, and I was very proud of that video, and seeing all the positive feedback really meant so much to me. Like, you guys have no idea how happy this makes me, and just seeing all of those comments was like reassuring. I don't know, it just made me want to keep doing it. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys supporting me, and yeah, I think that is all. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Hi guys, so it is currently April 13th, it's Monday, and it is 8:35. So oddly, I don't know why I've been waking up super early, like 7:30, 8 o'clock. Today I actually slept in later than I normally do, which, I mean, that's always nice. It's kind of weird, I don't know why, and it's not like I've been going to bed early either. I've literally been going to bed at like midnight. Anyways, so what I've really been doing for college, since it is all online now, I kind of really procrastinate for like online classes, which is not good. I definitely don't recommend it. Like, I do obviously get my work done eventually, but probably not the smartest thing to do. I'm actually filming a video today besides this one, so I'll kind of show you guys how I do that. I am gonna go get some breakfast though because I am hungry, so let's go do that. Okay, so I'm trying to decide what I should do with my hair. I think I want to curl it. Might take me a little bit longer, but I think I'm gonna curl it just because sometimes I don't like how it looks straightened. Also, it literally looks like so gross. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. I can't really do anything about it though. So I think that's all. I just need to wet my beauty blender and then we'll be able to film, finally. So I just tried to record a whole clip and it was not recording. But anyways, I just finished filming and it only took me like 45 minutes, which is pretty good for a makeup video. Sometimes it can take me like literally an hour and a half, but this one went by pretty fast. So I'm probably going to import all of this footage, and then I actually do need to do like some schoolwork because I do have an exam tomorrow in anatomy, so I need to take notes on that and just get everything done for that class that I need to. I also need to clean all of this up because that's like the aftermath of filming a makeup video. This is like my setup, so I have my tripod here and then I have a mirror here. I like having it so I can kind of see myself, see my makeup in the mirror, and yeah, I just like having it there. But it is literally like so gloomy out today. I don't know if it's supposed to rain again, but I really hope my video turned out nice because the lighting is kind of dark and I just hope it turned out okay. I had a lot of fun filming, so that was good. I'm excited to edit it and see how it turns out. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all the stuff that I have laid out. Okay, so I'm currently sitting on my bed. This is like where I do a lot of my schoolwork, and I know I probably shouldn't do it on my bed, but I don't know, it's just like where I can focus the best and not have like any distractions or anything. Sometime either like Sunday or Monday, I like to plan out my week and just like see everything that I have to do this week or like for the week. But I definitely think it keeps me like organized and make sure I have everything that I need to have for online school, like to know when like tests are and just like exams and projects and stuff like that. And I even did this when I was at school. That's like one of the biggest things that's like hurting me during this quarantine, is not having a set schedule, like routine, I guess, if that makes sense. On Mondays I would film and then I would edit on certain days, like when I was at school, and I would know when I would have to go to class, and then I would go to library at a certain time, and just like everything like that. And not having that structure right now and like being home all the time and trying to get myself motivated is one of the biggest things, and I know that a lot of people are struggling with that too, having a routine and trying to get used to this being inside all the time. So I like to write it out in my journal just so I know like what needs to be done in that week. So these are a lot of things that I already have written down. I try to, like, when I find out something, I like to schedule it ahead, so this is like later in the month. Tests that I have and like stuff like that. I know that it is really hard sometimes to like get motivated to do stuff. I've definitely struggled with that, but I think that having a planner and like knowing what needs to get done that day is really helpful, and I definitely recommend trying to get a planner or like something during this time. Even in general, like I like having it for school, and I also do plan out my videos. Let me see if I can find for February. This was when I was like filming consistently, but like all the orange is like film and upload, and I would just like schedule everything else. So anyways, I'm kind of getting off track, but so that's what I'm gonna be doing right now because it is Monday, so I like to plan out my week. So yeah, like I said, that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Sorry, I'm like rambling a lot. It's already been 3 minutes and I'm just like talking about nothing. So this is how everything looks right now. So I have like my test, my assignments due, I can't really read this backwards, but, and then I have upload on Friday for my, you guys can't even see me, for my makeup video that I filmed. I'm uploading on Friday. Like I said, this is how I just keep everything organized, make sure I have things done on the certain date that I need them to be done. I do obviously have a lot of free time just because for me personally, I have 2 online classes already that I already had before this whole thing, and then I only have English and anatomy. So not really a whole lot for me, which is nice. But yeah, that is like one of my biggest tips during this time. If you are struggling to like find a routine and just get into the groove of doing online classes, I definitely would get a planner. Or like if you can't go get a planner right now, I know you're not supposed to leave your house, just print off like something like a weekly schedule or something. It will definitely help. So my camera is about to die, so I think that is going to be the end of my video. That is kind of like my morning routine in quarantine, and doing like online classes and everything. Today I don't really have a lot to do, but I tried to make it interesting. I did film a video today, so I tried to show that a little bit. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also follow my Instagram, and everything will be in the description box. And turn my notification bell on so you're notified every single time that I upload. And yeah, I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye guys.